Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2016 Victory Vegas. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 11,944 miles and does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this bike will need a new license plate bulb, in addition, it will also need an exhaust that is DOT decibel compliant. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear at 830 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the ECU was replaced from a bike with ABS and is causing the ABS light to stay on. However, this bike is not equipped with ABS. Additionally, the exhaust pops on deceleration. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a scratch on the left fork chamber, a paint chip on the fuel tank, the right lever is broken, and there are scratches on the mirror case. This bike has 2 keys and has been upgraded with an aftermarket exhaust heat wrap, 14-inch handlebars, a Corbin seat, an LED headlight, and aftermarket turn signals. It has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.